Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, April 4th, 2023. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance in a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today's weather: high of 82, low of 73, cloudy, 1% chance of rain. Today's breakfast and lunch. Today's breakfast pizza, juice choice, fruit choice. Lunch, pulled pork, vegetarian, beans, coleslaw, juice choice, fruit choice. Today's birthdays: Cherish M. Reagan, Chancellor Bailey Nelson. Happy birthday. Today's announcements. ACAT Summit Off. We have been so proud of how hard almost all of our students have worked on their ACAT reading tests. Most of the students took their time, focused on their tests, and read carefully. Way to go. Now keep it up this week as we begin math tests. Be sure to use that scratch paper as a reminder if you are testing and there are students that test with a small group that are not testing at the same time. You are please find a place for them to go before you come to the test checkout area. Late duty. Today is Miss Tompkins. Important dates: April 7th, third quarter honor walk. April 14th, Kona Ice and Spring Picnic. April 17th through the 21st, spring break, no school. April 27th, archery field trip. April 28th, DeBakey drug bus. May 1st to the 5th, book fair. May 10th, Sunnyside Theater. May 11th, graduation walk, 10 o'clock. May 16th, pre-K kindergarten program. May 17th, Kona Ice. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Shepherd Scholars.